The sign says that the bike are not allowed. No one. Benettons are on holidays too. That's the problem of those fake sit at Serena or at your famous hotel where all the drinks.
Exactly.
Those shop side magnets. They fully kind of like holiday shopping plus. They should account for that cost of shopping.
It's always in our report. I have money spent with and without extra clothes and shoes and belts and sunglasses, whatever we buy.
This year we haven't bought much actually. Not yet.
I spent £80 on those two shirts in total. £40 each. Euros. It's nothing. 40 euros for price.
I know.
When you buy shorts, you'll be spending 300 on one. You'll buy 4 of them.
Yeah, solid purchase, and it will last forever. They've got.
You don't damage them. If you don't see something,
Poi dove andare?
there it is.
There's still some knee pain. Oh, yeah. That's the famous one.
You don't know what they do from music.
Oh yeah. They watch them probably, but we know they don't have as much. It's as if this year fireworks were united.
But if you stand here for the fireworks, you see many as well. Probably more than the readers then.
I hope they had changed the.
Oh, there's a coffee there.
No one knew where it was. It was hiding.
What, 500 meters to go?
Yeah.
Maybe more.
We came actually down here to the
isn't it close in the front?
I don't think so. I think they just did it for safety.
This is also flat. Tennis courts, they're all like paddle pools.
See you.
But definitely people have come out. They've crossed it.
It's much drier.
Dry.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll have the same.
I actually opened my shirt. I was completely sweating.
That's the DJ though.
The young one, or you?
But the whole evening was fantastic, to be honest. There was a while where they played quite a lot of Spanish music, but it's calmed us down a bit, giving a bit of a rest. Sweet Caroline, and everybody was on the dance.
It's right. How many magnets can one buy? Show up in Tenerife every 6 months.
It's new, huh?
Oh, it has always been here. Down there. Looks nice though.
Itself looks new.
Oh,
The restaurant is always been here.
alright. So we'll end up coming over.
You can add your pieces for your camera.
Yeah.
Tenerife is waking up.
But in your story of that having a picture of a woman on her phone,
Yeah.
was the cover of the phone.
What do you mean? The cover? Ah, the whole cover?
Yeah.
Or the
No,
or that?
the cover.
See all those leopards?
Manila.
Even the kid is wearing a leopard jacket.
Came from Manila. If you go to Mexicas,
Yeah, they have nice jewelry.
you can see that bar. It has an upstairs and probably the risk is still the same, no? There's still water there. Well, someone has just entered. Oh, they are going back. I see that man, the woman. You have your keys? You have your keys ready? Please. The right keys.
left in the room.
Not the fake ones.
I left him in the room.
Try. It was green. Only it's because of the water. See, they put a sign there, caution. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go around.
I think they don't want people in the pool. That's why the pool is.
Come, let's get the sounds.